Assalamu alaikum students. Let us solve together this extra sample problem related to free fall. Please record it on your notebook and make sure you understand it well. A fish is dropped by a pelican that is rising steadily at 0.5 meters per second. Steadily, girls, means at constant speed. A. After 2.5 seconds, what is the velocity of the fish? B. How far below the pelican is the fish after 2.5 seconds? So let us just try to sketch the sketch. Let me sketch the pelican as a bird and is rising up with positive velocity 0.5 meters per second, and then it will drop the fish. So the fish will be dropped down. While the fish is going down, the pelican will keep going up. Keep this in mind. And I want the velocity for the fish, which is falling down. This is the fish. After 2.5 seconds, let me record my V initial. The V initial for the fish is the speed of the pelican because it's dropped from a moving object, not from rest. The acceleration g is negative 9.81 meters per second squared as usual. And I have here delta t. Seconds means time, so delta t 2.5 seconds. And we need v final. Whenever you have v initial g and delta t, so still you don't have delta y, think all the time of the first equation. It will do the job, sorry. So v final equals v initial 0.5 minus 9.81. I'm just substituting here, multiplied by 2.5. The minus comes from the negative g. Then directly stop the video and try to find the answer on your calculator. The final velocity will be negative 24.025 or negative 24 if you will round it meters per second. Since they are asking about velocity, so it's a vector, so I keep the negative sign. The negative sign just indicates the direction that the fish is going down. Now in part B, they want how far below the pelican is the fish after 2.5 seconds. Actually, I need here to think about two things. I need to think that the pelican is rising and the fish also is falling. So two things. Let me start by the falling fish. And we need delta y for the fish. Already v final was calculated as negative 24 meters per second. So I need delta y. Here, once I know four things, or I know four givens or four variables, I can find delta y easily. Let me just plug or use the fourth equation, delta t. And I will start the substitution. Half v initial was 0.5, v final was negative 24 multiplied by 2.5, delta y equals, stop the video and try to find this answer. You will get the height as negative 29.4 almost meter. This is how far the fish is falling. So the fish, this is the height the fish will fall. Now, to know the distance between the pelican and the fish, I need to consider how much the pelican is rising after this point. So the fish will fall, maybe it will reach here, but the pelican also is rising, maybe it will reach this point, for example. So the distance is made of two parts. How much the fish is falling and how much the bird is rising. So for the fish, how far it fell, I already did it. Now let me see, after dropping the fish, what distance the pelican go up. So for the pelican, I need to find the distance. Now the pelican is moving at constant speed. When the object, girls, moves at constant speed, I will apply the simple formula. Distance equals distance here and speed or velocity times time. So here for the pelican, because there is no acceleration at steady speed or constant speed, so I need to find the distance delta y as just multiplication between velocity, which is 0.5, and the time. 0.5 and the time 2.5, it's 1.25 meters. So after dropping the fish, the pelican will go up 1.25 meters. So it's the new position is here for the pelican. The fish will go down 29.4 meters. Here I'm taking just the distance. So the total distance between them will be the sum of both. So the total distance between pelican and fish will be 29.4, and I add to it 1.25 meters. And this will give me around 30.65 meters, and this is the correct answer. Now, notice that when the object is accelerating, like the fish is accelerating due to gravity, I use the 4 equations to find the displacement. But if the object is moving at constant speed, you use the equation that you know from science study, from grade 6 maybe, just distance equals speed multiplied by time. So for the pelican, I'm using the simple equation because there is no acceleration or the object is moving at constant speed. Record the problem, make sure you understand it, and feel free to ask if you have any question. Thank you.